This is video 4. In video 3, we learned how to search for books on a topic. In this video, we will learn how to search for journal articles using one journal database. And so on the guide here, we're going to select the Academic Search Complete tab and click on it. So Academic Search Complete is a database that we have access to, and Academic Search Complete contains thousands of journals that it indexes, like 12,000 or so. It also has some other publications in it, but it has total number of publications index. It has 17,000, which in online journal databases, that's a big number. And so Academic Search Complete is the database that I like to call, there's something in this database for everyone, because it covers most topics or disciplines that you can find at a university. And so it's a good starting place to do research. So on this page, we have the link to Academic Search Complete. So when we click on this link, it takes us directly into the Academic Search Complete database. And this is what the search page on the Academic Search Complete database looks like. Right in the center, there is our search box. So we type in our digital learning, and then we click on search. And so it tells us the search results up here at the top. We found 3,346 different records. And then in order to narrow the search down, the best way to narrow a search down is to click on Advanced Search and to type in another search term. So we're going to type in our elementary. And click on Search. And so now we're down to 278 articles. And so we can look at what we've got here. We can look at record number 3. What we have here is the title of the article on the top, Enhancing Language Learning Through Creation, the Effect of Digital Storytelling on Student Learning, Motivation, and Performance in a School English Course. Underneath that, it tells who the authors of this particular article are. Then after that, it tells you the name of the journal, Educational Technology Research and Development. After that, it gives you the date of the issue, August 2018. After that, it tells you the volume and issue number that this particular issue is. Then it gives you the page numbers. And then underneath everything, it tells you whether or not this particular article is retrievable or available in what's called full text within this database. So it doesn't say definitely that it is, it just says availability and request options for articles. So we click on this. And it takes us to this page where it says Full Text Finder Results. And it says Other Links, and then it says Request this item through Interlibrary Loan. So we can click on this link and it takes us directly to the Interlibrary Loan form for the article, which we've already seen. And so when it says availability and request options for article, more than likely it is you have to get it through Interlibrary Loan. Now, this database, Academic Search Complete, has the ability to eliminate everything that is not available in full text in the database. Now, you can do this if you have enough results, but you need to remember that if you eliminate all the things that are available through interlibrary loan, you may be throwing out some of the best articles. You don't know that. But sometimes limiting it to full text will speed up the process because everything will be available. So we can click over here on the left to where it says limit to, and then we can put a little check in this box here, and now we've eliminated everything that is not available full text. So now we have 142 results. So we have a little less than half of the articles that we originally had. And so now we can look at record number 1. Again, in record 1 we have the title on the top, then we have the authors, and then we have the date of the issue, September 2015, and then we have down here it says available HTML full text. So the full text of this article is available in what's called HTML full text. So let's look and see what that looks like. So HTML full text means that you're going to see the text of the article, and it's been reformatted from the original article to appear in this manner. So it has the article. If there are pictures or graphs or those kind of tables, those will usually not be there. Then the second way that you can see this article is what's called PDF full text. And when you have it PDF full text, it is displayed how this article appeared in the paper copy of this journal. So it looks exactly the same. And so everything is formatted like it was in the paper copy of the journal. And so now that you've brought up the full text of this article, you can read it online if you wish. You can go over here to the right, and there are other things that you can do, like right here. This little icon is where you can print the article if you wish. Below it is a little envelope, and this is where you can email the article to yourself or to somebody else. And then as we go down the list, there are other things. Here's how you can cite the article. So it gives you the citation format in many different citation styles. And the idea here is to take this particular citation and to copy it and then to paste it into your paper. But that is a little bit risky because sometimes the citations that you find in here are not exactly 100% correct. So you need to double check to make sure that the citation is correct before you stick it into your paper. So, in review, Academic Search Complete is a good starting point to look for journal articles because it contains some journals on most academic subjects. This is the end of video 4.